Alright, this is trade recap. June 21st, 2024. I actually lost this day. Some 179 on the MNQ. I didn't want to do the mini. If I did the mini, oh my god, it would have been pretty big. I don't know if it's pretty big. I would have lost maybe like 300, I think. 300, 400. But I think I wanted to go initially long because I thought this fair value gap already got filled. This whole thing already got filled. It went to this low. But I think they really wants to go down all the way down here. And then the next week it'll reset. Because this is a whole equilibrium, so yeah. This whole equilibrium, so probably next time I gotta probably stick with following the trend. Because this is still bearish. It went pretty good long, but like 40 points. I entered off this wick. I low-key could have got a better entry too. Sometimes I'm just impatient. I think that's why I just gotta work on. I could have entered here maybe. I should have entered there where it went all the way down the wick and closed when it touches here, and then should have entered off that. Would have been better. And then put up the risk reward there and probably just play the mini maybe, but just play it to like these highs. Let's see which highs. Which highs were good for if I were to entry. Trying to find some good highs. Maybe this high. Maybe these highs probably. Because it's bearish. This is probably only one is bearish. I'll just mark these highs and lows. This wouldn't be too bad either. It would be a few points. This is 103. And if I were to enter off this candle, which one was it? No, not this one. This one. Probably put this like below here maybe. Yeah, I think price is just gonna keep going down. I thought it was just gonna reverse bearish or bullish and then just going down, up, down. I think it's just gonna go all the way down to this point. But that's what I could have done. I could just maybe follow the trend a little bit more. I was getting a little bit too caught up. I didn't really, because I should have really set a bias for myself. And if I do set a bias, I should probably mark levels where I think price will probably reverse. But that's it. Let's go back to trade recap. I marked these. So this new strategy, not strategy, but me trading supply and demand has been doing pretty good for me. It's just I got to figure out how to like my risk management and stuff, and like daily bias and not daily bias, like bias for the day, and how to like play it. So we have this high resistance, this low. Wait, this low. Yeah, it was this low, but these two were created. I used these two that were created just for my advantage. It went out pretty good for me, but if I had the mini, I would have probably already exited out the trade. But so we waited for price to market open. We have these high. Or I forgot to say, I have these highs because I have this support because this high, this high, this high. There's two candles, two candles, two candles, two candles, or two candles. You have this low, two candles, two candles, two candles, two candles. You get the memo. Same as here, two candles, two candles. White, black, white, black, white, black, white, black, white, black, white, black. Yeah. Let's go to the 1 minute. We waited for the 950 macro. Sometimes I was like, what I should have done, I should have waited for price to go further down below this new low it created, because there's this really good low right here. Created a new low right there. I should have played off this low and then maybe played off this candle over here. Should have waited for candle to go down just to touch it, or I could have waited for this candle, this black candle to touch it. Would have been better, and then I would have got better entry and maybe find some highs where probably price will reverse or before reverse. And that's pretty much it. That's all I really would have done. I would have set it over here. I wanted these to hit these highs. I don't know if it was gonna hit here, but these highs, like these look promising. It got hit 1, 2, 3, 4 times. That was crazy, bro. But you know, live to trade another day. This is Friday. So we're gonna be going back to the market on the 24th. And we had news too though, so Forex Factory. We had news today. Right before 9:45. I think this is really what affected me. I don't know. I wouldn't say it affected me because this this was a before my macro. Well, it was before my macro, so I still waited a little bit. And I entered like at 55, I think, not 50. So maybe I should just stick with my entry on macro or right like the latest confluence or the earliest confluence next to macro, because since I waited for this one I got pretty I still got a good entry. It went up, but you know, is what it is. I guess we see in 24th Monday June 2020 2024. See you.